Hi, my name is Wandia. I'm a digital media aficionado, which means I love to geek out on all things digital. Today I want to talk about how to remove false accusations on Google. Reputation monitoring has become such a critical part of living today. What people say about you online can have a big impact on your reputation, and you can monitor what's going on about you by using Google Alerts. You just simply put in your name or the name of your company, and you'll be able to get an alert every time someone mentions you online. So it's a really helpful tool. Having said that, if someone did say something negative about you on Google, it's very hard to remove that from Google. But what you can do is build your own reputation online. By having a solid reputation, if you've taken the time to build your brand, then a false accusation will really not have a place to stand on and will typically get pushed to the bottom of the search engine because your own activity is closer to the top of Google. I hope that tip was helpful. If you need additional information, please feel free to reach me at www.wandia.info.